The video here for the gatekeeper people them. The people them who have the information and no want to tell nobody kind of feel like safe and tell a man become better than uno. The people them who wicked and bad man and evil and all to themselves. I'm gonna tell you something. My day and me at work. I work me I come from. I do 11 p.m. to a 7 a.m. shift graveyard. And I say, would I like everybody to take a sip of the tea? Like, you know, just come a foreign and experience this. Let me tell you something. You have a whole heap of people out there who have information and don't want to tell nobody. I depend on the H2b program people and I look a fight me get. And I look ask for help. What me say? And I look ask for help to come on the program. There are people who have link all about. Big link. Don't have ministry everybody. You understand what I say? And nobody no want to give me information. Them reach over here and all them just want to do a hype and no want to get the look boss. The look wicked gatekeeper people them. But I tell you something. Me have one friend and I ask her, I say, where you get the wig there? And she say, you know, sir, she me get it pan me, I got send her the link. I used to one time the girl send me the link and nothing like how me sip on her head. You understand what I say? One might say, go up on TikTok and go look for her name. You see one time I look? A wig review a shadow, a free wig she get. And just to give me the look of information, when me get the wig pan my head, you go tell me, say, she not get it off because you want me look like Duppy. Some people are wicked. Some people are evil. Them have boss. Them have a boss. Them have a link and them no want to give you. But I'm telling you people, when you open your eye and you look. When you open your eye and look. Because enough of them people that can help you and don't want to help you. Understand what I say? Enough of them want to see you dead on bottom. And don't want to rise. On for open my eye and on for look. Remember one time, I'm tell you something, I always talk about story. But I talk about story about myself and what I say. I remember one time I there at town. I see this girl in a nice dress, my side. I say, where you get the dress? And the girl said to me, say, you know, say, upon cat, my bite, say, you know, say, one time a cat time. When you go down town and hold a cat upon town, you know, might find that the dress there. Me knowing on myself said that is just a nice sell pan cat. You well I know say fashion over here by the dress, but you know some my body bigger than fear. You know what I mean in that dress there. You know what I mean swag off that dress, but let me tell you something people. It gonna become one time. You see the same God will put you out there, sir. And the same one can take you down. Straight. You understand? Back to the H2b. But upon the H2b program. And I know a whole heap of people get through for up on the program before me. If you know me, I'm there in the hospitality industry for like 10 years. At this summer get my local bus. 10 years I'm there in the hospitality industry, in the hotel industry. I used to work at a particular hotel my side, a particular hotel. And when I tell you say, Ministry of Labour, they come at the hotel my side. I wonder if I not hear me because the whole package them I drive. Ministry of Labour, they come at the hotel for some people, right? And I'm going to walk on the corner. Ministry of Labour come at the hotel for some people. And me there at the hotel at the time I work. And them never call me. The person who get the information never call me. Me get one call and my friend say, you know, sister, your friend gone down a ministry. So me say, oh, remember you know, you see the person here? I'm a God, son, mother. So me and her no so. Me and her so. My God, son, mother. Right? I call her and I say, where they go? She said, I don't have ministry. I do one function for them. I soon come up. I say, alright. I call back the guy and I say, yo, she say a function she gonna do. The boy say, you idiot. Which part of the ministry gonna call you for the function? Look how much hotel them gonna pass and you tell me say, you're professional so much. For them call, you for going to function for them pan the exact date, pan the exact spot. The boy say, I interview them gonna do. It's either for the work program or the farm program. Anyway, I call back one next youth and I say, what you there, the guy say? You know, somebody in a ministry. I do one event, one function. Everybody know function event. Right? And I say, okay. I call back the guy and I say, two of them down there. Two of them I do interview, two of them I do function. Two of them kind of tell lie. Anyway, when I go back at the hotel, you know what's not keep quiet at the hotel? The gossiping and the mumbling and the, you know what, like when you're guilty or something. I see everybody anyway, I keep my calm my side. Remember, you know, I tell you, so the girl here, you know, I'm a godson, mother. You understand what I say? Girl, now I make no money. I could have wait until I say, you know, so I can't be a godson, your son, mother. Because I now make no money and I can't take care of no God pitney right now. And me have pitney to take care of all of them things there. But girl, stand up for your right. Girl, say alright then. Godmother, nothing wrong with that. I'm not going to stay poor for all the rest of my life. Girl, get the bus. I'm going to go to her. I'm going to say to her, say, why you have to tell me lie? She said, Tashana, no, I'm going to tell her with the all plan, say. And we are tell everybody, say, event we going to do. Remember, on my side, I come back with this. I'm a godson. Madam, me and no regular girl, me and no regular friend. You understand? But me did I go tell you. Anyway, me tell you something, I stand up and me feel bad in myself. Because I say, yo, me did the hotel for all long. And then I tell them big out off of the road. Me did the hotel for all long. And the girl come and get bus for get on H2b program and me there for so long and not get no bus. You understand? Them go, them come, them go, them come, you know. Them go, them come, and I saw them see me at the hotel stress right out, you know. Me they vex, you know, because I tell you true, me never did talk to her. Because I said them girl not rate me. If you did get the bus yesterday, then Tashana and me down in ministry, go ask George Pang. Tell him say come to do an interview with George Pang. Then can't tell me something I don't know George Pang, because I must know him, have him full name. You understand what I say? I must find a way. Tell me the truth then. See you go do interview. You go tell me say a function. Friend? I say friend? Listen. Let me tell you something. With the panel program now, and links have to get your pan program. Some of the people them down there, them all know people from in the office them. You understand what I say? And them not want giving the bus. Why? Why people so evil? Why people so wicked? Why people not want to see other people strive? Why not keep the information to yourself and don't get the bus already? My God. You're not going to get charged for crime. If you're not going to get charged, you're not going to get sentenced in a life. I want to stay, so I want to hide the information for better somebody else's life. On a wicked, sir. On a evil, sir. Me up on the H2b program right now, I forget the extension my side. I still have to have a link. Else I'm sending me right back on my yard. And links run this. My side, me I tell you say, you say if you have a friend, and then I want to bust you know, and so them the uplast every year and on the climb, I bet on a leg of them friend there. I have part 2 I come out for this. God is hot. The seat at my side.